Here's why doctors need reputation management. People increasingly turn to the internet first when they need a new doctor. This is in large part due to the growing use of cell phones and the ease of searching for anything from any location. The growing number of physician review websites have also contributed to the practice. Simply searching for a doctor's name or an area of practice will bring up lots of information and reviews. The things that patients look for in a doctor, clinic, or hospital are the following. Start with a professional quality website. Failing to have an informative, current website allows other people to tell your story. Give new patients a good place to start learning about you and your practice. Provide the basic information about your services, the types of insurance you accept, and give directions to your practice. Search engine optimization and content continue to be essential components of any website. Implement social media. Many businesses, including medical ones, take the advice of having a social media website to heart. It makes a big impact on your future patients if you put your practice out there for them to learn more about what you do. Read your own reviews. The best way to find out what your patients are saying is to read their reviews. This helps keep opinions out in the open where you can deal with them head-on. It also lets your patients know that you value their opinion and want to provide them with a more positive experience. Marketing your medical practice. The best marketing tool you have is your list of happy patients. A positive reputation is a good start for growing your practice. The next step is to get the leads needed to continue bringing new patients into your practice. By doing all of this, you are also helping your future patients by letting them know that you are a doctor that's transparent and who they can trust when it comes to their well-being. We understand the unique needs that every doctor, clinic, and hospital has. By focusing on healthcare needs, we have obtained in-depth knowledge and expertise that results in fast, impressive results.